Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys not one, not two, not three, but four different styles that you can do that are super quick and easy with your 360 wig. So without further ado, let's get started. So this hair is from Julia Hair. I know it looks dusty right now, you guys, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. It's a 360 wig that I made. I showed you guys a video some time ago of me making this wig. I'll link it in the description bar if you wanna see it, but it didn't have a realistic hairline. It is a body wave, but we're gonna straighten it out today because I wanna do a little something different. So I'm gonna start by spraying some Got to Be Glued Free Spray. I'm not doing anything fancy with my wig cap. It's just a straight wig cap. I don't have time to be gluing down a wig cap to my head and spreading, no. And then all we're gonna do is get the hair dry and make sure that Got to Be Glued spray is tacky. And what we're gonna do now is ignore the strange man in the background. Don't worry about it. When that wig is nice and secure, we're just gonna tap, tap, tap and make sure that everything is down. While that's working its magic, I'm just gonna straighten out the hair. All I'm doing is using some holding spritz on this hair, and I'm just using my Carmen on 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Just take your time, nice and slow. This hair holds a really nice texture when it's straightened. It's not like super bone straight. It still has some texture, so it looks more believable as black girl hair straightened, if you know what I mean. Like, it looks like a silk press. So I'm done with straightening right now. We take off the scarf, and then I'm getting ready to set those edges, to lay them, okay? Put them to bed is what we're doing right now. So I get myself some foam spray, and then I just work my edges. Work them whichever way that you like. Do your edges however that pleases you. Today I'm feeling like having some waves and curls in my edges, so I'm gonna do that today. I don't usually do it, but yeah, we're gonna do that today. And again, back with the silk scarf, and I'm just gonna cut some layers into this hair right now because it's always been wavy. So now that it's straight, I can see that it needs some kneading up. So we're just gonna neaten that up. And once that's done, look at the hair. Do you see what I mean about the texture? It has a little texture to it, a little something. Once I take off that scarf, look at those edges. Oh my God. They have been well and truly laid, rested. I don't even have to wear makeup. I can just go out like this. But we're gonna beat this face. Yes, honey. So that's look number one. Just let it all hang loose. And let's go out into the world and be a boss lady. Yes. Moving right on to number two. We're gonna be doing a half up, half down style. Now, anyone who's done this style knows that it can actually be really difficult with straight hair. The reason why is because of those flyaways. So you wanna get yourself some foam setting spray and brush all of that out. The hair that's at the back that you're gonna leave out, put it in a tight ponytail so it doesn't get mixed up with the hair that you're gonna put up. And there you have it, ready to go. On to look number three. It's pretty much the same as number two, but we're gonna make a bun. Okay, now I like a high top knot. I mean, you can have a bun, and then if you're feeling frisky halfway throughout the day, you can just take it out and have the hairstyle number two. You can be Brenda the Librarian if you're top knot at work, and then all of a sudden you turn into Brianna at night. Hey. Number four, we're going after a sleek, low ponytail. So just get that bun out. All you need to do is just brush it. Brush it, brush it, brush it, brush it. That hair is way too high. You need to brush it. Brush it all the way back, people. Once you've got it looking how you want to, just get yourself some setting foam spray. If you think it's a little bit too puffy at the back, you can just put a silk scarf on at the back there and set it for you to go out onto your day. I think that looks okay though. I rushed this, but you get the point, right? Just spend a little time making sure you brush it through. Number five, bonus. So we're gonna do a high ponytail, and we don't want it to look bulky and wiggy at the back, because I've seen some 360s that just, yeah, you're wearing a wig, like it's obvious. What I do, I have an elastic band in the back. I just tuck that hair under the elastic band, and the 360 already has baby hairs at the back. And the sleek ponytail that I'm gonna do is gonna just cover all that up. It's just gonna be smoke and mirrors and magic. Okay. I add 2 or 3 ponytails to give it that height that I need. And then leave a little bit of hair out, the longest bit that you can find in the hair. Leave it out and use it to wrap around the ponytail to hide it, because it looks so much neater and slicker with the hair wrapped around than just using the ponytails. And once you've done that, just spread out that hair that's left out, give it a nice brush and let it loose. And there you have it, people. That's hairstyle number 5. I'll show you what it looks like from the back. There you go. It's all good. It's all good. So that's it. I've just combed it out, you guys. And by the way, this brush is amazing. If you try any of the styles, let me know in the comment section. Okay, have you ever tried it 360 week? I want to know. Talk to me, people. Don't forget to like and subscribe to your girl. And if you want to see more tutorials, you want to see more posts, you want to see all of that good stuff, then follow me on the gram. My life is literally on the gram. I don't really post life updates and things like that on YouTube anymore. So if you want to see it, it's on the gram. Bye, guys.